What you do is you think, right, okay, I've got 10x. Okay, cool. So every time it doubles, if I take 10%, and you can use AI to do it, and I take 10% off every time it doubles. So let's say it's at 50 and then it doubles to 100. I take 10% off the table, which is 10 grand, right? And I put that in a little pot. Okay. So I put that in a little pot that I don't touch. Right. And then it doubles again. So it doubles from 90 to 180 because it's easy to measure doubles, right? Because you can look at the portfolio and think, has it doubled or not? It's an easy question to answer when the chaos begins. Like this week, everyone's talking about Pulsechain doubling. They're not talking about it like, oh, it did this amount of percentage, blah, blah, blah. They're not really getting into that. They're like, oh, it's doubled, right? The double is what we care about, which is what Richard Hart refers to with Hex's success, right? He refers to it as 14 doubles. Like, not only is it a 10,000x, it's 14 doubles. So think of it like, so you've doubled once, you're at 100 and you're at 100k, you've taken 10k off, you put 10k in the pot, right? It doubles again. So you're now at like 100. So 90 doubled is 180. You take another 18 grand off the pot, that goes in the pot. That's 28k that you've got to one side. You know, it doubles again. You're at like 300. We'll just call it 300k for easy math. You take another 30k, you put that in with a 28. Now you're at 58k in the small pot. Right, but you're feeling good because you've got 50. You're paying yourself, right? You're taking a little piece off the pot, and now you're at like. So now when the doubles start getting, I mean, you're at 3 doubles now, yeah. So you're at 50, which was to you. I mean, what number are we at now? We're at 300k. We've taken 30. We've got 270k. Your next double, you're at 500. You've hit your goal, right? You're at 500k. So you're 4 doubles away, essentially, and you've got your 58k sitting in the pot. So the question is, what do you do at that point? Well, you take like 60% off the table. You take literally like 300 grand. And say you got 500k in the portfolio now, and your goal was always 500 on the low side. You take your 300, and you've still got your 200 left to run. You add the 300 to the 58k that you've already got. You're at 358k. You're almost there. You're almost there on your goal, and you've still got 200 grand in chips on the table. So then your next double, right? So then your next double from the 200 that you've left is at 400, and you can split it in 50-50, take the 50%, add it to the 358k that you've just got, and you've hit your goal of 500. You've got no money left in the deal. Like you're completely. You've won the game. So you've hit that 558k, and you can hold that pot and you can walk away with it and go, okay, I've hit my goal. And then, but you've still got your 200 because it's doubled again, and you've taken the 200, right? You've got 200k left on for your moon bag, and then you just leave it because that 200k that you've got left on the table is not yours anymore. It's now you've already hit your goal. You've already exited the table. You're just leaving 200k there for fun, right? And if it doubles again and you think, fucking hell, I've got 400k, you can decide, oh, do I want to sell? I'll just sell a little bit. I'll sell, that's when it becomes fun, because then that money's not yours anyway, because you've already hit your original minimal goal of 500k. That's what you went into the market with. But here's the thing. If you didn't set the 500k before you went up to the table in the casino, before you played the game of Richard Hart ecosystem, you would never know where you are in the game. You would never know when to quit because you haven't set rules, and you can't walk away from the game.